to another Target beauty unboxing, but sadly, it's the final one ever because they discontinued the service. So this is for June. This was the Target Trendsetters beauty box. I cannot begin to tell you how depressed I am that they discontinued this program. I found so many of my favorite things through this program. So now I'm trying to find another beauty box to join with the same money that I'll be saving off the Target ones now. But anyway, that's another story for another day. But anywho, let's jump in, although I do love how pretty this is. The note that's in there makes me feel like they didn't even know they were going to discontinue it so suddenly. Although I kind of got a feeling with how hard they started to become to get this year. Like, unless you were on it the minute they got listed, good luck getting them because they kept selling out, and some of them never restocked after they did. So, something was up. I had a feeling, but it's finally confirmed. If you go to target.com/beautybox, it has the little goodbye note on there now. It's so sad. Whereas it used to be, they would have leftovers of the beauty boxes for fucking months afterwards. So I'm just like, whatever. So, here it is. Beauty trendsetters, from celebrity makeup artists to Instagram's hottest influencers, emerging brands are proving to be an industry fave. High quality and unique, it's no surprise why. So obviously we had to get in on this trend too. We tried and tested, and then again, to handpick the under-the-radar products that are changing the beauty game. I've got our little notes on the back and the coupon, which is still good till October, so I'm not going to be showing that because I'd like to use it. Anywho, so, first thing in there, I admittedly have already used some of. It is the, where is it? Honestly, pH-Fresh, or Fresh with a PH, prebiotic deodorant sea mineral. Thoughtfully formulated without baking soda, packed with prebiotics and magnesium for maintaining optimal pH levels and controlling odor for up to 24 hours. Fair trade certified and hypoallergenic. So there's no aluminum. Oh, we already said all that in there, so never mind. But yeah, this actually smells surprisingly good. I can't really put a name to what that scent is, other than it's like something aquatic, but it does smell really good. If it didn't clog up my pores underneath my arms and give me like the worst ingrown hairs, I would seriously consider buying the full size of this, but given it's happened every time I've tried to use it, I'm like, I'll try to sparingly, like, use this intermittently between my usual stuff and hope for better results, and with that, I'll hopefully at least use up the sample. So, we also have these by 10/10 Rose Polish Remover Wipes. Biodegradable cloths, acetone and paraben free, doesn't dry out your nails, use anytime, anywhere, no harsh odors, and non-toxic. There's one cloth in here. But yeah, you hold the cloth on top of your nail for 10 to 20 seconds to help break down the top coat and make polish removal easier, then wipe upward to neatly remove polish. Repeat as necessary, wash hands thoroughly after. If immediately reapplying polish, as the excess oils from the remover can affect polish adhesion. Really, I know how to read. So on here, it says non-acetone nail polish remover wipes make it easy to take off your polish even on the go, and the subtle rosy fragrance leave hands smelling yummy too. That's cool. I might buy more of those, because those are kind of nice to have on hand. We have some dry conditioner, Weightless Smooth. This is by Waterless Instant Moisture Dry Conditioner. Dry conditioner tames frizz and flyaways, moisturizes dry ends, and detangles messy hair, all without the use of water. So as opposed to dry shampoo, you would say. Shake well, spray onto ends, brush through. I kind of want to go get a brush and try it right now. Hold on. Okay, so let's take the hair down. I wasn't planning on trying any of these on camera today. I thought I was just going to wait till I review them, but you know what? Screw it. I kind of just really want to test this out now, so. Because my hair could use some extra love at the moment. See, it's really like tangly at the end, so I'm like, yeah, I could definitely use some conditioner on it. Okay. So, let's pull it around onto the end. Wow. That actually was surprisingly effective. Holy shit. See, and this is why I'm so sad that this service is going away, because I never would have discovered this stuff if not for this service. That smells really good. What does that smell like? Can't quite put my finger on what that scent is, but it smells amazing. I'm going to put it a little higher up. I know I shouldn't, but I'm going to do it anyway. Get a little more taming going on here. Man, that smells good. I know they always say don't put it at the roots, but I'm like, you know what? Totally put it at the roots. It's so frizzy. Oh yeah, that's way better. Okay, it doesn't help this little curly guy, but nothing ever does, so. Freaking baby hairs around the front are just... Wow, that actually was like really, really effective. I'll get a little bit more. Oh, that's better. Okay, I can hang with that. Wow, look at that. Pretty sure I'm gonna buy the full size of this if it's not anything crazy price-wise. Cause wow, my goodness, look at that. So much difference, just that quick. My goodness. Even if I'm running my fingers through it, and it's really soft too. Like, whoop. And it's a humid day today, so I am actually shook that that worked. Okay, glasses back on. There we go. I feel better now that my hair is down anyway. So, next thing on our list. Where'd the list go? Oh, it's under the box. Let's not knock over the can. Okay. By Tanologist Drops Sunless Tanning Treatments. There is definitely not enough to do anything with that little packet, but face and body drops transform your skincare or makeup into custom-made self-tanner that'll leave your complexion glowing. No sun necessary. FYI, more drops means deeper tan. Apply 1 to 2 drops to your favorite moisturizer, mix together in the palm of your hands, and apply to skin. Wash hands after application. Well, maybe it's enough to do something with them. Huh. Well, seeing as, you know, little miss already had a melanoma scare at 14, I would very much like to go this route if I were going to do a tan without actually going in the sun, so maybe I'll try that one of these days. Not today, though. I'd rather actually, like, if I'm going to do that, I'd rather get the full size of it to make sure I have enough to do everywhere, rather than be like, well, part of me has some, but everywhere else is kind of fun. What is this? By a brand called Ray. It's De-Stress Capsules. A mix of pure and powerful ingredients to help you calm your mind, fight mental fatigue, and focus in times of stress. These statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. It's a blend of L-tyrosine, GABA, and Rhodiola rosea root. It's 5 days supply. What's in it? well, besides those, there's also rice powder, hydroxypropyl methylcellulose, they're vegetarian capsules, magnesium stearate, and silicon dioxide. Well, I see nothing that sounds scary about that. I could try those. We also have more Lumify, which I found out is actually fairly amazing. This is a bigger box than they usually are when they give out the samples. So, it says new product. Redness reliever eye drops, whereas the other ones were to help soothe the eyes. I don't know if they were meant to fix redness, so I guess I have one for redness now. It works in a minute and lasts up to 8 hours. From the eye care experts at Bausch & Lomb, Lumify significantly reduces redness to help eyes look whiter, brighter, and more radiant for up to 8 hours. Plus, there's no bleach, no dyes, and they're FDA approved. Use as directed. Just drop into eyes and voila. If you wear contacts, take them out before using the drops and wait 10 minutes before putting them back in. Well, I don't use contacts, so not an issue for me. Now, the regular kind of the Lumify drops I've gotten in other sample boxes before, I must say, I am surprisingly impressed with them because I'm one of those people who has the hardest time in the world putting in eye drops because, like, my eyes are so sensitive, I'll, like, blink involuntarily and they'll be everywhere, and it'll take so many tries to actually get them in to where it's just not worth it. These, first try, went in, and I legitimately did not feel them. I can safely say I have never had that experience with another brand. I thought maybe it was a fluke the first time. I thought maybe I must not have squeezed it hard enough. Maybe a drop didn't really go in because it felt like literal nothing. So I put in one more for good measure and watched like hell in the mirror. No, one definitely went in and I didn't feel like anything. So they must have like really perfected the perfect pH level to where it just totally matches that of the body's natural pH levels or something. All I know is in my experience with them, I legit do not even feel them go in. They are magical. I love them. Forget Visine from now on. I am 100% switched over to this brand, and I never would have tried them if it weren't for the free samples I've gotten, so yay for Lumify. No, they're not paying me to say this. This is like me legit saying I've had wonderful experiences so far with these, so. Okay, I think this is the last product in here, and this is by a brand called Uni, and it's a travel shower sheet body wipe. Oversized, super soft, moist body wipes made with natural and purifying neem, peppermint, and citrus smell delicious and instantly cleanse, so you'll feel fresh and so clean anytime, anywhere. That's really cool. Again, I'm just so bummed that this is the end of the Target boxes, because everything I've really liked what I have discovered through this program. I keep hoping maybe they'll reconsider and bring it back or something, but I can also see where for $7 a pop for these boxes, where they were probably losing money on this deal for what all was in them, but I'm still sad, because that was a wonderful value for what was in them, and a wonderful way to discover new things I otherwise wouldn't have. It's like the same reason why I adore the Allure box and Ipsy, because it's stuff I would never otherwise probably have tried or even heard of, and then I end up falling in love with. So, anyway guys, that's it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already liked me, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, bye-bye.